Let's talk about notifications. In your dashboard, you will want to click on Account to customize your notifications. Click on Notifications and you'll see all of the options of things you can be notified for in Canvas. If a teacher changes a due date on assignment or sets a due date, you can select over here how you want to be notified. The check mark will notify you right away. The clock will send you just a daily summary to tell you what's going on that day. If you want a weekly summary and maybe only be notified on a Sunday for the upcoming week, or maybe there's certain things you do not want to be sent any notice for because they're just, unimportant to you. When you have a new grade submitted, you might want to know that right away. If a teacher has uploaded a new assignment, maybe you'll want to be updated right away on those. But things like discussion posts, that might be something you just want daily. Schedule changes, you may want immediately in case something's changed. So all of those are customized for you. And you can see here that my notifications get sent to my email address. So that's how you'll be notified through an email update.